No one likes errors or inefficiencies, yet they often occur in our daily workflows. And we must take action to deal with the rising costs caused by these errors and inefficiencies. Luckily, by choosing Cipherlab and selecting the RS38 along with its supporting solutions, you can eliminate these errors. When performing tedious data input, the RS38 can quickly and accurately capture specific data and automatically put it in its corresponding field for storage. This can help avoid errors caused by visual recognition and significantly improve work efficiency. The RS38 can also help optimize truck loading and logistics, significantly improve inventory efficiency, and achieve real-time system updates, allowing managers to accurately know their inventory status at any time. In addition, delivery routes can be effectively improved, not only reducing carbon emissions, but transportation costs as well. Equipped with the latest transmission technology, the RS38 can instantly transmit vehicle data and cargo distribution status, providing real-time updates and precise control over the entire transportation process. The RS38 can also solve and meet various customer service needs and enhance customer experience. When equipment problems occur, IT staff can provide immediate remote support, strengthen device management, and ensure information security. By simply using remote one-click operations, a large number of devices can be immediately deployed, and parameter settings can be adjusted to streamline multi-shift operations. Cipherlab integrates software and hardware solutions, provides on-site services, and complete warranty policies to ensure the continuous growth of your business. Empower your operations with RS38. Efficiency, security, innovation.